I just got ghosted by my own meetup group. So, we're here at Hacienda Heights. We're gonna do the Turnbull run, likely by ourselves, because we got ghosted by this meetup group. I think there were 5 other people that were supposed to go, and I've been messaging them on the group. No one's responding. I do this ride typically for my wife Crystal, because she loves Turnbull Canyon area. But she flaked on me last minute because she's too tired from work. And it looks like, everyone else also flaked on me today. At least for the ones that said that they were coming, but they ended up ghosting me. Anyhow, we're going to do a quick run. Why not? We're already out here. We have our Giant Trance DIY Lunicycle converted e-bike here, 52 volts, BBS02, 750 watt only. It actually might be better that we're by ourselves. We'll do this ride a lot faster because there's a Laker game that we gotta catch anyway. With that said, let's get this ride started. I feel like I do need new brakes on both sides. This one is rather weak. Alright, here we go. Haven't been here in a while, I don't think, but I don't even see the trail anymore. But we're gonna begin our climb. Somewhere here. Oh, holy smokes. Got slapped in the face already. Oh, jeez. Holy smokes, this is bad. I'm getting thorns right in my hands right off the bat. These weeds are not messing around. Alright, I'm gonna put on some gloves because I don't want to hurt myself here. What a rough start. And you can't even see the trail. I guess it's a good thing no one showed up today. They might not have been prepared with gloves and what have you. Okay, this is a rough, I need to get out of this rut and this hill. I don't know how I'm about to do that, to be honest. Okay. Come on, middrive. Oh, heck yeah. Yikes. Leave it to the middrive to get you out of these rough spots. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. That's a good thing. Crystal also flaked on me. Whew. Let's hope it gets better. Because this is a bad start. I got thorns all over my pants and my sleeves. Okay, let's keep on keeping on. Man, it's hard to get a good view here because things are overgrown. I can't even see the 360 view that I normally would see. Alright. We're gonna go downhill. Is there such a thing as too much nature? Because I feel like we're engulfed in nature today. It's hard to get the good views. So much weeds. These weeds are taller than me, kind of reminding me of Chino Hill State Park. turn, damn it. Look at that single track. I could barely see it. Alright, I've always wanted to go on a corn maze type of e-bike ride. This is pretty much probably, as close as it gets. Okay, well, we'll see how this goes, huh? Gotta take it easy. I'm pretty sure no one's riding this. Or hiking it, I don't know, but zero visibility, guys. Just about zero visibility. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's right in my face. Zero friends today. I don't know, what else? Zero confidence. What else can we add on? When it clears up, there's some nice purples and yellows. Oh, look how narrow this is. Ouch. Yeah, I got some thorns in my legs on that one. I could feel it. Should have worn double layers. This is the worst I've seen Turnbull, riding wise. Please maintain it, guys. Whoever maintains this. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Like, everything seems like a blind spot. I have to keep shouting, Rider. Rider! Oh, good thing I have full helmet, full glasses, and whip me right in the eye. Whew. Oh, the road's disappearing. Whoa, I don't remember this part at all. Huh, like something happened to this tree. Kind of fell on the, maybe a little bit of a landslide. This part seems a little bit hard. Okay, proceed with caution. I mean, it's nice. Look at these purples and yellows. Yeah. Lakers better win today. This is like a sign. Purple and yellow. It's so hard to tell who's going to win. Today's game 4. Obviously, by the time you see this video, we pretty much already know, but game 1 was close. Lakers took it. Game 2, Warriors was lopsided. Game 3, Lakers win. Lopsided game. So it's kind of hard to gauge who's going to win, but all I know is that if we ever go to game 7, Warriors are going to win. So Lakers need to close the game and close it in 5 or 6, because game 7, Warriors are definitely going to win. We're too old for a game 7. That's the way I see it. I don't know why I'm closing my eyes when I have full goggles on, but I feel like it helps if I close my eyes. Just trying to get through this nonsense. This is somewhat painful. I could barely see the road anymore in front of me. But again, come on, bike. I'm trying to have my legs up. It's a good thing I got ghosted today. Everyone's legs would have been scraped on that one, unless they were wearing some kind of pants, heavy pants. We're just plowing through what used to be a road here. Yeah, we're definitely just plowing through. We're just really trying to get out now. Oh gosh. Someone has to plow these, right? Might as well be me. Okay. It's somewhat opening up a little bit. And we're almost out of the single track, if I'm not mistaken. Ah, gosh. Those are the thorny ones that we gotta watch out for. Those things with white leaves, those are thorny. As you're trying to stay away from the household weeds. Those are the ones that have spikes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is like Chino Hills State Park. Might be a little worse though, because we're climbing up. Getting slapped by nature. Trying to climb up this steep hill. I got thorns in my ankles. Oh, F that. Ow. Oh my gosh, we got through it. Whew. We got through it. I gotta remove some thorns in my pants. Let's get to the fun part, shall we? Just the jumps. Definitely nice to see some green up here though. Too much green, if you ask me. Okay, let's move on to the freeway part. Let's hope the conditions are good enough. Alright, this is a really rough downhill first. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, those are spikes. Oh my gosh, that twig got my ankle. Well, we put ourselves in it. Now we gotta get out of it. Read the terrain. Torture riding at Turnbull Canyon. Torture Turnbull. Almost there, almost there. Feels like a different ride. Okay, believe it or not, we're in the freeway. Let's get our jump sessions on. Brap, brap. Time to send it. Yes, sir. Woo. Very nice. I think there's a twig stuck in my my bike. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I cannot see what happened to the freeway, guys. This was the fun part. Got really narrow there. Woo. Yes, sir. Last jump. Oh yeah, make it count. Alright. Alright, we're gonna make our way to the Turnbull Tower. Pretty much call it a day. No confidence today. Too much things in the way. More purple, more yellow. It's a Lakers kind of day. Hopefully. I think I got my biking fill today. Being slapped around by nature. Yeah, we don't need to go up the tower. We're gonna head back on the main road. I love this purple and gold setting here. Really beautiful. That's gonna be in today's e-bike adventure, folks. Like and subscribe for more content. If I've convinced you to get outside and get an e-bike, I definitely recommend using my referral code. Helps me out a ton. For DIY Bafang kits, there's a URL link in the description below. For an aerial rider, best bang for your buck type of cafe racer e-bike. also in the description below. Or if you want that stylish Super73, also a link in the description below. That's going to be in today's ride, folks. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. Go Lakers. You. We out of here.